Why do we always think we have more time? My wife and I had a stupid fight. One of those arguments where you can't even remember what started it. We were both stubborn, so we decided to give each other the silent treatment. For 3 days, our home was a quiet battlefield. We'd pass in the hallway, sit at the same table, sleep in the same bed, all without a single word. I kept thinking she'd break first. On the third night, I heard a thud from the bathroom. I waited, thinking she was just being dramatic. But the silence that followed was different. It was heavy, final. I found her on the floor. The paramedics said it was a sudden aneurysm. The last words she ever heard from me were angry ones. The last thing I gave her was silence. Now, silence is all I've left. I would give anything, absolutely anything, to go back and just say, I'm sorry, I love you. Don't ever let pride be the last word you say. Cherish every moment. Thanks for listening.